Every minute, a woman is assaulted in India. Every hour, more than 3 women are murdered.
India is one of the most dangerous places in the world for women and even young girls.
In India, rapists are more likely to attack women from the Dalit community than from any other caste group.
The accused targeted my daughter because we are Dalits. He dared to do it because he's from the upper caste.
According to rights groups, Dalit women are frequently targeted by upper caste men who harass them, knowing there will be few, if any, consequences. Many accused offenders don't even land in jail.
What is to be done with the institutional bias that exists from the police station to the courtroom? The law needs to be audited to see, does it deliver justice or is it just written in the statute book?
वो अंदर आया, दूसरा दरवाजा खोल के मैं दूसरे दरवाजे ने उन्हें फाड़ लिया और वो कह रहा है मैडम मैं 2 साल तो किसी लेडी में हाथ नहीं लगाया, मैंने लेडी चाहिए है एंड ही वाज कॉन्स्टेंटली रिपीटिंग दीज वर्ड्स। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਤੋਂ ਅੰਦਾਜ਼ਾ ਲਾ ਲਓ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਡਿਪਟੀ ਕਮਾਂਡੈਂਟ ਮੇਜਰ ਰੈਂਕ ਦੇ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਕਾਂਸਟੇਬਲ ਹੱਥ ਪਾ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ।
Alleged rape case involving Indian Air Force officers mentally tortured and harassed, and actually the seniors did not take action as per what she was claiming, which is why she was forced to go to the police.
Brazilian Spanish travel vloggers Fernanda and Vicente. They were allegedly attacked by 7 men in the night. Fernanda was sexually assaulted by the gang.
More than 40,000 rapes are reported in India every year.
कल नहीं हुआ तो आज नहीं होगा, इसका गारंटी कौन है?
I feel that as a society we are pretty conditioned and we do not take our women to be women. It's a purely patriarchal society, that I would say.